Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Uhfgood, and today we are going to continue with John Lemon's Haunted Jaunt 3D Beginner Tutorial. And we're picking up where we left off. Yesterday we did we put up a gargoyle. It was an animated gargoyle, and he's usually searching for any intruders. And so now we're gonna write a script that has something to do with this flashlight detector beam thingy. And if you've never been here before, I'd like you to comment, share, subscribe, and like, or whatever they all say. I don't have any idea why they do it in the front. I mean, I suppose if you're, um, I don't know, I suppose you don't catch it if you don't watch the whole video through, but then again, if you're not watching the whole video through, a, what's the point of liking or sharing or subscribing or commenting? Um, in any case, let's just get into the to the game, shall we? And here I go. There we go. I'm getting better at that. Like if I do this, and then back down. Okay. Now, let's write. So, in IRC, I said, so now I'll be writing a custom observer script, whatever that means. And then somebody says, nice way to say you're hiding in someone's bushes. That sounds like a game jam theme, bush creeper. Okay. Uh, anyways, write a custom observer script. Now that you've created a trigger and you're trigger happy, you need to write a script for what happens when John Lemon walks into it. To create the new script in the project window, go to Asset Scripts. Okay, go to the Scripties. Right click, select Create C# script. Write the new name of it called Observer. Or Peepin' Tom. He's a Peepin' Tom. This name describes what the script will do. It will observe the player's character and cause the game to restart if it's spotted. You'll be able to reuse the script for other enemies too, so it makes sense not to link its name to the gargoyle. Okay. Drag the observer script asset from the scripts folder into the point of view game object in the hierarchy window to add it as a component. So, let's go to, now, let's see if we can see some pictures here because it might be, okay, I guess I'm kind of guessing that this is actually on the player, not on the, not on the prefab, right? I don't know. Let's go back up here. You match the collider. You set the collider to match the beam of the gargoyle's flashlight. Huh. Yeah, I remember that. Okay. So far, presumably, we're supposed to still be in the thingy here. Okay. Now you've created a trigger. Right, point of view. The only thing I don't know here... okay. The only thing that I don't... that'd be your X. What if I make this, make this 4, okay, 5, 9, okay. What if I switch still back to local? What would happen? Global. Pivot. Oh. And now it actually looks like it does in this picture. Because now it's pointed at the right place. What I want to know is, I don't know how this matches. I guess it supposedly matches the and you know, it says it's kind of downward, but it doesn't actually look downward to me. It looks like it's straight out, honestly. And it didn't tell me to do anything. It's just the way that it looks. So what do we do? Skip rotation X. I'm gonna make this 10. Let's make this 0. Because now actually doesn't look like it's down. I don't know, I'll just do it like it said. I should do it like it said anyways. But let's just go ahead and save this, and let's go ahead and do the same thing, the thing that we're supposed to do here, which is, now that you create a trigger, go to Assets, Scripts, let's see, Observer. Okay, now drag the observer to the scripts, to the point of view, onto the point of view game object in the hierarchy window. Observer into, okay. Double click on it. And now we are opening it in Studio. In whatchamacallit Studio. Mark step is completed. Completed the step. Okay. Add a class to detect the player's character. Let's start your new script by adding a class to detect the player's character. As you did for the game ending script, remove the start and update methods and their comments. Your clean script should look like nothing. Alright. First, you need an observer class to detect the player's character. Add the following line to your script in between the braces. Public. Transform. Player. Okay. Slightly different to the approach you took for the game ending trigger. This script will check for the player's character's transform instead of the game object. It will make it easier to access John Lemon's position and determine whether there is a clear line of sight to him. You previously used the on-trigger enter special method to detect the player's character and stored whether the character was within the trigger using a bool variable that can be reused here. Add the following line directly below the declaration of the player transform. Alright, let's do so. Bool M is player in range. Okay. Does that look all good? Okay. Now add the on-trigger enter method directly below that. Void on trigger enter. Collider other. Collider. As with the game ending script, it's important to check that John Lemon is actually in range whenever on trigger enter is called. Add an if statement within the on trigger enter method that braces to check that. Okay. If other dot transform is equal to player. I wonder what would happen if I just do loop. Nope. Is equal to player M that is player in range equals true. And there you have it, boys and girls. Six, the player character entering this trigger may not automatically mean the end of the game. For example, there may be a wall in the way. This means it's also important to detect when John Lemon leaves the trigger. This can be done in a simple way with a special method called on-trigger exit, which is the opposite of on-trigger enter. Copy and paste the on-trigger enter method directly below itself, then just enter to exit and set and true to false. Okay, so let's just copy and paste. And there we go. And on trigger exit. And false. Okay, script should look like this. Blah blah blah. Transform player in range. Collider other. On trigger exit. Collider other. Player transforms equal to player. Player in range. Right. Okay. Whoop. Dang it. Cancel. That is arg. Control S. And that's all she wrote. And now I will say thank you for watching and catch me in the next video where we'll hit number 7 here.